Looking for your new favorite snack? Hatch Chili's Pimento Cheese Spread. Good stuff. In my bowl, I have shredded from a block some Colby Jack cheese, and I'm going to add 8 ounces of cream cheese. To my bowl, I'm going to add in the namesake pimentos. To that, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Here in North Texas, we like to spice things up a bit, and a lot of people at this point will put in a fresh jalapeno, chopped up finely. I personally like the Hatch chili. So to that, I'm going to add about 4 ounces of Hatch chilies, 4 ounces or half a cup of sour cream, salt, black pepper to taste. I'm going to mix this up using my favorite hand mixer. Don't forget to scrape down the sides. Let's give this a little taste, see how we're doing. Just walk away.